Cooking a dish with a German accent. Put a pan on the fire, pour in a little olive oil, and then add in 6 meat sausages. When they are slightly browned on one side, you can turn them over. We leave the sausages in the pan and go to the onions. 1 large onion head is enough. You need to cut it into cubes. Next in line is the red bell pepper. Cut avoiding the pulp, avoiding the core and any seeds. After that, cut the pepper into small pieces. This will give the dish a sweet taste. By the way, you can use a pepper of any color. The sausages are fried on both sides. Carefully remove them from the heat and transfer to a plate. We won't need them yet, but everything that's left in the pan is welcome to stay. Put the onion and bell pepper into the pan. Sauté on medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. That's not all the vegetables that we'll need. Cut 1 medium tomato into cubes. During the stewing process, it will release moisture, and the dish will turn out as juicy as possible. Finally, chop 2 cloves of garlic. It goes well with the meat, so this ingredient is just perfect for our recipe. In Germany, people prefer hearty dishes. Therefore, the best side dish for sausages is, of course, potatoes. Take 4 or 5 peeled and washed potatoes and cut into small pieces. You will also have to chop up the sausages. We take everything that we previously fried and cut it up. Look at what an impressive portion we got. We send the sausages to the pan with the vegetables. We also put tomatoes and garlic and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and the spices. A half a tablespoon of dried oregano and pepper and a tablespoon of paprika and salt. It's turning out so bright and vibrant. We send the sliced potatoes into the pan and fill it with water. To cover the ingredients, we'll need 600 milliliters. Mix it up. The spices and tomato paste should dissolve together. Cover with a lid and simmer. The gravy should have thickened a little. Leave for another 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat until the potatoes are cooked through. Well, everything is ready. Put it on a plate. We got a hearty and delicious stew in a German style. After all, Germans really know a lot about good dishes. Guten Appetit!